Ever notice how your Ninja Crispi gets really dirty? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get it sparkling like new. But first, hit that subscribe button. Start by taking these one, two, three, four little screws that hold this grate onto the Ninja Crispi's PowerPod. But be careful because they're very small, and if you drop them, you're going to be fishing for a minute to get them out. Also, you'll need a T10 specialty bit to remove these screws. If you're in a rush, I've linked my favorite precision screwdriver set down in the description. It has this bit plus many others. It does all the hard work for you, and it even has a light. You may also want to keep some napkins handy because there will be a fair amount of grease. Next, remove the silicone trim that borders the plate, but be careful because it's secured in by these metal clips, and if you pull too hard, you'll rip it. But to be honest, I've ripped a few of mine, and it doesn't seem to affect the performance of the air fryer whatsoever. Now that you have that removed, we can get to the more satisfying part. Grab a can of this Barkeeper's Friend. I know this looks like your grandpa's cleaner, but trust me. Link in the description. So now you have to get the surface of whatever you want clean, wet, and then you're going to sprinkle some of this solution on, and then you're going to wait at least 30 seconds but not over a minute, and then you're going to start to scrub. So depending on how much grease you have on your unit, you might have to rinse and repeat once or twice, but I promise you at the end of this you're going to think you just took it out of the box. Also, if you use the adapter for the bigger container, you're going to want to use this on there because that accumulates a lot of grease as well. Let's get our 4 screws and the grate back in place, and as promised, it looks brand new like you just took it out of the box. As for the bowl, the borosilicate glass and the nano ceramic plating do a real good job of keeping everything nonstick, so I just usually hit it with some soap and water and call it a day. But I want to know, how do you do it? Teach me a new trick down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.